A full desktop computer used to take up half your legroom under the desk. It doubled as a noisy space heater during heavy workloads. Now the landscape of computing has shrunk drastically. A new ultra-compact mini computer has hit the market, and it literally fits right in the palm of your hand. This tiny powerhouse is packing dedicated artificial intelligence hardware inside a box smaller than a hardcover book. It runs on a cutting-edge processor from a major chip maker. This chip combines a standard processor, integrated graphics, and a specialized neural processing unit. That dedicated neural chip is the real star here. It takes the heavy lifting off the main processor to speed up modern tasks. We are talking about local voice transcription, instant document summaries, and generating images on the fly. Best of all, it does all this while sipping just a fraction of the power a traditional tower would use. Despite its incredibly tiny footprint, the connectivity is genuinely surprising. You can plug in up to 3 ultra-high-definition monitors simultaneously. It comes loaded with 16 gigabytes of lightning-fast memory and half a terabyte of high-speed solid-state storage. Throw in next-generation wireless networking and an ultra-fast wired internet port, and you have a surprisingly complete package. It even ships with the latest professional desktop operating system right out of the box. The whole setup is geared perfectly for office work, serious multitasking, and content creation. It also gives you a fantastic entry point for experimenting with local artificial intelligence models without relying on cloud subscriptions. But there's a very specific catch you need to know about before ditching your current rig. The memory inside this little machine is permanently soldered to the motherboard. That means what you buy on day one is exactly what you are stuck with forever. You cannot pop it open a year from now and add more memory to keep up with demanding software. Furthermore, this is absolutely not a machine for playing high-end blockbuster games. The graphics are fully integrated into the processor rather than having a separate video card. It will handle media playback and everyday productivity flawlessly. It just will not push high frame rates on the latest demanding video games. Some people wonder if these tiny, heavily marketed machines are actually a scam. The answer is a firm no. This is a highly capable, legitimate piece of hardware. The only real risk comes from where you buy it. You always want to stick to official storefronts or highly trusted retailers to avoid shady third-party sellers. This palm-sized computer proves that the future of desktop productivity is wildly compact. You get modern artificial intelligence features, robust connectivity, and silent operation in a device the size of a sandwich. The real question you have to ask yourself is pretty simple. Are you finally ready to replace that massive, bulky metal tower with something you could easily toss into a small backpack?